Okay, next one up, new client with his Ducati Scrambler, Roland Sands custom design paint job. This is in for one of our full Monty valets, not been cleaned in some time. She is hanging. We're going to see if we can polish up this exhaust. It's looking a little sad for itself. Get a bit of paint on a few bits and pieces, get some corrosion protection on it, get all this all minted up, get it looking like it should. Like I said, it has not been cleaned in some time. So time for a little trot. Oh God, look at that chain. That is dry. We'll get all that serviced, re-lubed back up, do a little machine polishing on this windscreen as it's looking pretty dull. Let's get cracking. Watch this space. There you go, another one all trotted and looking freaking sweet. Ducati Scrambler, Roland Sands Special Edition. Look at that exhaust, come up as new. Wheels have all been meticulously cleaned. Just did a single stage polish on that bodywork and the windscreen. Absolutely gleaming, all fully XCP'd. All that old chain, all been removed, serviced, re-lubed back up. Everything's got a nice coating of XCP, all now fully protected for the summer ahead. Get yours booked in now, open 6 days a week, satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.